Hello, my name is Dylan Armstead with Technical Elements Productions, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to make a live event. Basically, a live event can be anything from a concert at a major Georgia Dome or even your local church service. Basically, when you start a live event, you have to have an idea or a reason for the event. For us, we're using a set that we designed a few weeks ago for a D-Now at a church. Basically for this set, the client wanted a very dark and grungy feel. So we took some black roofing material, cut it into strips, took a broom, dipped it in white paint, and splattered it all over the black material. The white really makes the light evenly distributed, makes it look great on the set, and the client was very happy with it. Basically at this venue we're using a Mackie SR32. Which is an analog board, so there's no digital parts. It's all manually controlled through analog. We have our trim up here at the top, which basically turns up all sound in general. Then we go into our bus mixes, which we use for monitors and in-ears. Then we go into the equalizers. As you may or may not know, equalizers can be used to turn up the high pitches, the mid pitches, and the low pitches, which can all be used to make your sound perfect. Then we go into the pan. At this particular venue, we have everything panned to the left, just simply ease of use. Then we go into the faders, which turn up all sound in general, after it's been edited through the EQ. Basically for this audio rig, because it was more of a permanent setup, we have two supports in the front and one in the back, with a cross beam in the center for stability. For these type of speakers, we have one input and one parallel. We use 1/4 inch to plug into the input, and then another to plug into the parallel that sends a signal to the next speaker. Now we're going to talk about microphones. There's many different types of microphones. Today, we're going to talk about cardioid. Basically the ones we have in this room are wireless and a wired mic. Let me show you how to set them up. For money reasons, this particular venue chose to have two separate boards, one for the LEDs and the movers, and one for what's called conventional lighting. Conventional lighting is used to put white light on the subject's face, such as the talent, the band, or even the singers. This one here is for the LEDs. We have 6 LED fixtures selected right now. With these 3 channels, we can change to red, green, and blue. Then we can color mix. Red and blue make purple, green and red make more of a yellow tone, green and blue make an agua feel. Then we have 7 and 8 that are used for movers. 1 is pan, 2 is tilt, 3 is color, 4 is gobo, 5 is shutter, which closes and opens the shutter on the light for strobe effects, and 6 is the intensity of the fixture. This is one of our LEDs we use on show. This is a Chauvet Venue. It's more of a simple one, just to show you basics about LEDs. This is a DMX dip switch. What a DMX is a signal sent from the light board to the light to communicate color, pan, tilt, gobo, and even some cases strobes. This is an analog conversion. There's some that are digital that have a digital readout with a more larger microchip on the inside of the fixture. It's very easy to set up an LED. In most cases, you just plug it into any existing circuit. In a lot of cases, they can even daisy chain power. That sends power from one to the next, to the next, to the next. DMX does the exact same thing. Just take your DMX input from the board and plug it in to your first fixture. From there, you go out to the next one, to the next fixture, to the next fixture, until all your fixtures are all DMX'd and powered, ready to roll. And that's basically it. Granted, that was a very simplistic overview, but now you're ready to start running your own show. Just get creative and have a great time with it.